Hello. Today we're going to talk real quick about how to tune Kalimba. So this is for the Kalimba kit in JMRL's library of things. And we're just gonna real quick go over how to tune it in case it is out of tune when you get it. So first thing is to have it facing you with the keys towards you. And you're gonna take the chopstick in the kit and you're gonna push it in to the Kalimba like that. And then the tuner is going to go on the chopstick. You can turn it on. And then you're going to actually play the keys. And you can see there what it says the key is tuned to. So in this case, B. And that is pretty much perfectly tuned to B, but it's actually not supposed to be B, it's supposed to be A. So we're gonna change that real quick. And the way we're gonna do that is first by loosening the screws. You wanna do this just a little bit because you don't want the keys to actually move. You just want to be able to move them yourself. So if we see, see there, now it's A sharp. But if we want to change it, if we want to make it a little higher, we're going to pull it out. And now it is perfectly tuned to A. So let's assume then that all the rest of the keys are correctly tuned, or that we have already tuned them. Then we're just going to tighten the screws down again. Oh, it's okay if your chopstick does that to you. And then you are good to play again.